I wanted to make a complex product understandable. Of course, when technical buyers place an order with us, they usually know exactly what they need.
Sometimes a customer might call and not know exactly which ball bearing they need. In those cases, we check the customer's exact needs and requirements and find the best solution together.
We ensure that we move very dynamically, accommodating our customers and speaking their language.
Our team is like international team. I'm from India, my colleague is from China, and others, they are German, so it's very interesting to work with.
Seeing the team grow, seeing how the team evolves, how the company evolves, and of course, how the customer benefits. And seeing how impressed our customers are with what we do and what the team does. That's what gives me a lot of positives.
We have very good suppliers. We want to develop our quality of bearings. So as well as we want our suppliers to enhance their quality as well. That is our goal.
We inspect the incoming goods and the outgoing goods.
We check all the important characteristics, important features of bearing like inner diameter, outer diameter, width. We test noise as well. We test vibration class here, and we check its running characteristics of bearings.
This is how we determine whether the quality corresponds with our requirements, and those are usually the requirements of our customers. The aim is for our customers to ultimately say, okay, now I have a product I didn't know existed, but I've ordered it from Kugellager-Express and it works. That's inspiring, and that's what I wanted to achieve.